I'm going to give you a clear, careful breakdown of what a black hole weapon actually means. The types of hypothetical concepts people discuss, why it's almost always impractical today, real risks, how it might show up in signals, and forensics, legal and ethical implications. First off, what does black hole weapon even mean? A black hole is an object whose gravity is so strong that once something crosses a certain radius, the event horizon, nothing can escape. The boundary of that region is called the event horizon. Weaponizing anything called black hole could mean different things: energy extraction, destructive capability, or denial and containment. Each category has very different physical requirements and implications. What are some of the legitimate physics concepts people discuss when talking about weaponizing black holes? The theoretical physics literature is full of speculative proposals, but I'll list some that are most often mentioned. First, the Penrose process and its generalization. The Blandfors-Naik mechanism. These are ways to extract rotational energy from a spinning black hole via particles and fields and magnetic effects. In principle, enormous power flows are possible if you could control them. Then we have Hawking radiation. Tiny black holes theoretically emit radiation and evaporate. The smaller the hole, the faster the evaporation, which releases energy. A micro black hole's evaporation can be very energetic in principle, but creating and containing such an object is extremely speculative and difficult. Next, accretion explosions. Feeding matter to a black hole or destabilizing its accretion disk can produce high-energy emissions of X or gamma rays. This is what bright quasars do in astronomy. Finally, tidal disruption. When a massive body gets too close to a black hole, it can be shredded by the difference in how strongly gravity pulls on different parts of the body, releasing energy. But weaponizing tidal forces on planetary scales requires either astronomical masses or ultra-close proximity. How can any of this happen today? The short answer is it can't. All these processes involve energy and mass scales far beyond our current capabilities. For example, creating a micro black hole would require energies far above the Guts scale, around 10 to the 16th power electron volts. Current particle collider energies are around 10 to the 8th power eV. We're many orders of magnitude away from anything remotely relevant. There's also the control problem. Any proposal for a black hole weapon will necessarily involve making or moving something with the mass of many suns, either to create a black hole